guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here, and today we're going to get kick-started on Betty White, and then hopefully this video is going to be a few days collaborated together, and fingers crossed we might get to see it started, we might not, I don't know. So let's go. We had a cancellation. No call, no show. So we decided to put a little time into Betty. So we got the intake fully mounted up and gonna have to order some parts. Adrian broke the oil feed line.
Was it already weak?
No, it wasn't weak.
It was weak.
It was last week. So I'm gonna have to get a oil feed line kit. And then I got the radium catch can in because I knew he was gonna need something. And then eventually we're gonna clean this up with the Chase Bay's steering kit, or power steering relocation. So it'll be AN lines that relocate the reservoir, and it'll look nice. But we'll make it work with what we got. And then we got to do the whole everything to do the catch can and the new fuel pressure regulator. Because I had this one, but a few customers had these and they discontinued them, and well, it was leaking fuel out of here, so I gave them mine, and then having to get update mine to go with everything else. But progress is progress. I don't know if we updated y'all on this, but I got a few more bits in for this. The oil pump's on, water pump's on. I got to order this. Adrian also got Grant's RB fully timed, water pump, turbos on. And if you follow us on Instagram, you've seen that we have a full Hellcat motor that starts on the crate, which I will probably insert a clip here.
Is it in neutral? Yeah.
Not too bad, yeah. Cleaning the cobwebs out.
Oh yeah, let me check the oil one more time. Try again and maybe try keeping it running a little bit.
We didn't run it too long because it doesn't have coolant in it, but just a proof of concept. And we're missing a lower radiator hose, belts.
And then some fittings for the catch can.
Yep, need catch can fittings. And
catch can fittings, lower radiator hose, and belts.
Not too shabby. But guys, we've been working on this the last few days. Hopefully get it back as to daily status. But yeah, we don't like too much. Still sounds good.
A little noisy in first start.
Well, it hasn't had oil in it in 2 years, probably. Has it been 2 years?
Might have been. I mean, we've been here for over a year.
Yeah. Jesus. But just get y'all a quick update video on Betty White. And then after we get it put back together, we're definitely going to have to wash it. It's a little dirty. Classic. Put the wash me on there. Wash me.
Was it smoking a lot?
No, not really. Especially for as long as it's been sitting. Adrian, you don't even need a piece of paper to do your list.
No, just scrub it.
Just scrub it, you know, list. There you go.
Let's see. Done. One thing on the list.
All right, we got to get it done. All right, guys. Adrian, Mickey got the bumper trimmed up, and then we got some fittings ordered for the catch can. We're waiting on the lower radiator hose. And
Headlights.
oh yeah, I got some new headlights.
Oh yeah.
Yep, OEM Johnny's. But yeah.
Just revision number 1.
Right.
Prior
Yeah.
to Haltech.
This is just to get it running. And then yeah, Haltech goes on. I think we might have to change this spring out because the vacuum is a little bit more than we thought. But
It runs.
it runs. So that's always a plus. A little bit more stuff will be in tomorrow, and we might be able to bleed the coolant system. And then connect the breather to this will be in a few days. But yeah, I mean, not bad for first start. All right, and after we get Betty White all fit and finished, we'll be starting on the Super project, trying to get the motor, engine, or the engine and transmission out, and then I just got a few more parts coming in for the 2J, and get that buttoned up. We're gonna get Grant's buttoned up, get him out the door. But guys, hit that like and subscribe. We'll have more coming on Betty White. The Super project is about to kick off. So we're going to do some 2Js, these things, and then we're going to see what that G40 can do on an Artec manifold. So just like that, we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going, yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing, yeah, I gotta keep working, yeah, at least for the moment, start with $1 million, and I want my mansion, so my family knows that, we are set for life, yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over, shit, nobody gonna take it, but I grab it.